Northern Kenya is our priority in the sense that they are vast lands with great and huge potential for food security. If we can open up that area by doing roads, connectivity to electricity, and then dams and irrigation, we would, in a very comprehensive manner, address our challenges in this country. And that is the way to go. And we have lessons learned. Israel, the Middle East, all these deserts, through technology and very serious and prudent interventions, have been converted into suppliers of excess food for local consumption and for export. So we really want to appreciate the contribution of your government in trying to open up northeastern Kenya and northern Kenya, and we don't take it for granted. And for us, as we grapple with the challenges of the effects of climate change, we are convinced that northern Kenya and northeastern Kenya should be a priority in terms of opening up the area so that we don't take emergency food relief to those areas, but we receive surplus from those areas to feed the rest of the country. You know, that is the way we look at it, and we are doing everything possible. So we are very grateful for what you are doing in that area and the rest of the country.